Please be reminded that this is strictly confidential. Ibig sabihin, walang makakalam nito kung di tayong alam lang sa room na to. No one else knows kahit friends or loved ones nyo. Kung sino man mag-violate, automatic kick out na sa group at sa usapan natin. Deal?
Paano mo bibigay yung mga sagot sa amin? Mag-iipon ba tayo ng magic eraser mo?
This is a new method. I will use 4 compositions. A, B, C, and D ang i-represent nun. Observe niyo mabuti yung finger movements. Yun ang letter A. Pinky finger ang una, then thumb sa dulo. Yun naman ang letter B. Repeat lang siya twice. Yun ang letter C. Tandaan nyo. 2, 3, 2, 4, 4. Yun naman ang letter D. Tandaan nyo, yun ang easiest.
So easy about it.
Sa start lang mahirap. Pero konting practice lang, makukuha nyo rin eventually.
Eventually. It's too confusing.
Eh kung mag-whistle ka or umubo ka na lang kaya?
Are you serious, bro? Sa dami-daming question ng exam, papaubuhin mo si Lynn. Okay ka lang ba?
Guys, let's just calm down, okay? We're all scared of getting caught. Let's just try this muna.
It's easy for you to say. Can you tell the difference between each chord? Did you even get everything?
Can you chill? Remind ko lang you're talking to my girlfriend in front of me.
I'm just asking, bro.
Tama na yan. Iisip na lang ako ng bagong paraan, basta wag lang kayong mag-away. I'll get it to you by Monday. Ako na bahala.